It's an 84 square body Chev C10. It's got a 6-liter LS that has been built and tuned by one of the best builders in America, Ballard Motorsports from Oklahoma. It's got everything. It's got vintage air, it's got Dakota digital gauges, it's got everything that you would want. It's been dynoed and everything. It's got 650 horse to the rear. So we're just getting her done. The name of the truck is Cashmere. I looked for 3.5 years. I graduated in 84. And so I basically wanted an 84 through an 86. And I looked for 3.5 years and I lucked out and found this one, and I bought it in August of 2020. I bought it from Oklahoma, from a guy in Oklahoma who's become a friend. And he sent it and sent all his receipts of over 50 grand that he put in the truck. And so then I've put quite a bit into it as well, and we'll put even more. I should have nicknamed it Boat instead of Cashmere for bring on another 1,000. She's in a very expensive day, but worth it. I love the overall look of the truck and stuff. I love this, you know, when you're lower them and stuff like that, it really pops the curves and stuff. I do love the LS engine, but I'm gonna love the air ride suspension. I'm gonna love the interior. Cato, that's now lives up here in Salt Lake, is actually going to redo my interior. The interior that's in it's an immaculate Silverado stock interior, but the name of the truck's Cashmere, so it'll have leather and cashmere inserts and everything. You know, I've enjoyed the truck every minute that I've had it. It's not for sale. It would never be for sale. You know what I mean?